Time is 6:43. Thanks for waking up with us on this Tuesday morning. We dodged the worst of the storms last night, so you're waking up to hopefully dry grounds, at least generally dry, speaking across most of the state. Now, western Kentucky did actually pick up quite a bit of heavy rain, so isolated storm chances return again today. Cold front still continues to press through, so as that happens, that's going to be bringing us a shot at more heavy rain again coming up today and then returning later on in the week. But between the two things, we're turning hotter. High temperatures pressing back up above average, and also the heat index values really start to take off because humidity levels have been climbing. You can feel it out there this morning already. It's a warm start to your Tuesday. It's also very sticky and muggy. Cold front continues to sweep through as we have been talking about today. There's already a couple of stronger storms that are kind of forming up around the same places that picked up heavy rain and storms last night in Illinois. Cold front, as it moves through, is going to help us to start to see those clouds clearing out. So I still think we'll be partly sunny today. Most of the day, I believe, will be quiet, but there's going to be a chance for a couple of those little like individual cells. We'll call them isolated showers and thunderstorms rolling through, especially southern Indiana and western Kentucky. But we do still have the chance to pick up a few ourselves moving into later on this afternoon and into the evening. Showers or rain could be very heavy at times, of course, we know, because there's so much moisture in play right now with that southwest flow of wind and that warm air advection that is moving in. For your Wednesday, things tend to quiet down for about a day. And then we have another cold front heading our direction, which will spike those rain chances again toward late week. Cold front, of course, brings us a risk for severe storms. It's a marginal risk, so on a scale from 1 to 5, it's a 1, and it's areas mostly west of I-75. Could still see quite a bit of lightning, thunder, as well as maybe a couple of strong wind gusts. After today, we start to see those rain chances pressing back up toward 60% chance of rain by Friday, and then we'll see those rain chances continuing into the weekend as well. So with as much rain as we've seen, you're probably needing to mow your yard. Today is a decent day to get that done. Tomorrow will be even better, but then Thursday and Friday probably not so good days because we do have those higher chances for showers. Future heat index values with the dew points climbing into the mid 70s today. High temperatures in the upper 80s. Feeling like 95 degrees in Lexington, maybe even 97 for Richmond, Danville, up to 101 degrees is how it's going to feel in Louisville. Potentially even starting to see heat advisories kind of pressing in closer to the Louisville area from the west. Another hot one again tomorrow. We'll see more sunshine for your Wednesday. Today we will see some sun. Highs around 88 degrees. Again, heat index values in the mid 90s. Stray thunderstorm, heavy downpour possible. And then tonight things are pretty quiet, partly cloudy. Lows around 70 degrees, and we'll see the action returning Thursday, Friday, even into the weekend. Temperatures not quite as hot for the weekend. Highs back in the upper 80s and the mid 80s Monday and Tuesday.